Hi learners, welcome to Agile Scrum Mania. Today we are discussing various methods and techniques for sprint planning. Sprint planning is the first event in a Scrum sprint. It marks the beginning of the sprint and sets the direction for what the team will deliver. The purpose is to define the sprint goal, select product backlog items to work on, and create a plan for how to complete the work. The Scrum Master, product owner, and developers all participate in this session. The key input to sprint planning is the product backlog, which should be refined and prioritized. The team also considers the velocity or the amount of work they typically complete in a sprint. Any carryover work from the last sprint or team capacity changes, like holidays or leaves, are also discussed. The product owner proposes what can be done based on business priorities, and the team discusses feasibility. The most basic method is task breakdown, where stories are broken into smaller tasks and each is estimated. Teams may use planning poker, a collaborative estimation technique using cards or numbers to agree on effort. Capacity-based planning involves calculating team availability in hours or story points and picking work that fits within that limit. Another method is goal-driven planning, where the team defines the sprint goal first, then selects backlog items that support that goal. Invest criteria help select good user stories. They should be independent, negotiable, valuable, estimable, small, and testable. Definition of ready ensures backlog items meet certain standards before being picked, like having acceptance criteria and clear descriptions. Timeboxing keeps the meeting efficient. For a 2-week sprint, sprint planning should not exceed 4 hours. Collaborative tools like digital boards can help remote or hybrid teams plan more visually and interactively. The team agrees on the sprint goal, which is a single clear objective for the sprint. The team commits to a list of product backlog items they believe they can complete. A sprint backlog is created, which includes the tasks and technical steps needed to deliver each item. The team also aligns on how they plan to complete the work, including initial design discussions or collaboration needs. That's all for today's learning journey. Please subscribe for more informative content on Agile and Scrum.